Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to back up Candy Crush on Android. Losing your game progress can be frustrating, especially after investing so much time and effort. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to ensure your hard-earned levels and valuable gold bars are always safe. By following a few simple steps, you can easily link your game and prevent any data loss. This process takes only a couple of minutes and provides peace of mind for all your future gaming sessions. The first crucial step is to link your Candy Crush game to an online account. When you open the app, look for the blue Facebook icon or the orange king icon. Tapping either of these will guide you through the login process. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one. This connection is vital because it stores your game data on their servers, making it accessible from any device. Once you've linked your account, it's important to verify that your progress has been successfully backed up. Look for a confirmation message within the game, often indicating that your game is now connected. You should also see your current level and an accurate count of your gold bars. Additionally, your profile picture from the linked account should be displayed. This confirms that your game data is securely stored and ready for restoration if needed. Should you ever need to restore your game, perhaps on a new phone or after a factory reset, the process is just as simple. First, install the Candy Crush app on your Android device. Then, open the game and tap the same Facebook or King icon you used before. Log in with your linked account, and your saved progress, including all your levels and gold bars, will be seamlessly restored. It's a quick and easy way to pick up right where you left off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.